When most Knoxville homeowners think about upgrading their windows, they often focus on the immediate benefits, like better curb appeal or smoother operation. But what many overlook is the profound, long-term financial and lifestyle impact that energy-efficient window installation can have. In fact, these windows can save you significantly more than you might expect. Lower monthly utility bills. The most immediate and obvious benefit of installing energy-efficient windows is the reduction in energy consumption. Knoxville experiences both cold winters and hot, humid summers, which can strain your HVAC system. Traditional windows, especially single-pane or poorly insulated models, allow outside temperatures to easily affect indoor comfort. Energy-efficient windows use features like double or triple panes, low E, low emissivity coatings, and argon gas fills to insulate your home better. These features dramatically reduce heat transfer, helping your HVAC system run less often. That means you could see monthly energy savings of 12% to 30%, depending on the age and condition of your old windows. Increased property value. Homebuyers in Knoxville are increasingly aware of the importance of energy efficiency. A home outfitted with modern, high-performance windows is more attractive to buyers because it signals reduced maintenance costs and better energy performance. In fact, homeowners typically recoup up to 70% of their investment in window replacements when selling. But that's not all. Energy-efficient upgrades may also qualify your home for energy-efficient mortgage options, which can further improve your resale value and attract eco-conscious buyers. Tax credits and rebates. The federal government and even some Tennessee utility providers offer financial incentives for energy-efficient home improvements. If you install Energy Star-rated windows, you may qualify for tax credits, sometimes as much as $600 or more, as well as local utility rebates. These incentives can significantly offset your initial installation cost, turning what feels like a high upfront expense into a manageable and financially smart investment. Extended HVAC system life. Your heating and cooling system works hard to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, especially if your windows are outdated or drafty. With energy-efficient windows, your HVAC doesn't have to work as hard, which extends its lifespan and reduces the frequency of costly repairs. This hidden benefit can save you thousands of dollars over time, not just in energy bills, but in deferred replacement costs for major equipment like furnaces and air conditioners. Improved comfort and reduced noise. Energy-efficient windows create a more stable indoor environment. That means fewer cold drafts in winter and less heat intrusion in summer. Many Knoxville residents notice how much more comfortable their living spaces become after the upgrade. Additionally, these windows also help reduce outdoor noise, thanks to their thicker glass and tighter seals. If you live near busy roads, construction zones, or noisy neighbors, this added peace and quiet is an invaluable bonus. Protection from UV damage. Ultraviolet UV rays can fade your flooring, furniture, and artwork over time. Energy-efficient windows are often coated with low-E glass, which blocks a large portion of harmful UV radiation while still letting in natural light. This helps preserve the integrity and appearance of your home's interior, saving you money on repairs, replacements, or reupholstering. Final thought: energy-efficient window installation in Knoxville isn't just a cosmetic or feel-good, green upgrade. It's a smart financial move with multiple layers of savings. From lower monthly bills and fewer repairs to higher home value and long-term comfort, the return on investment is clear. If you're considering home upgrades that truly pay off in Knoxville's climate, don't overlook your windows. They might just be the most cost-effective decision you can make this year.